Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the Apple CarPlay in every Suzuki. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the Suzuki home screen. Here let's find and select the Apple CarPlay. From Apple CarPlay, as you can see, you can use the settings icon. From settings, let's choose here wallpaper, and here we've got the full list of wallpapers that you can use. You can find how they look on the screen. Let me use, for example, this one, tap set. And now if you go back to the home screen, you will see this wallpaper. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.